Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. The dreadest challenge of COVID-19 is underway. It is building or mounting huge amount of pressure on entire globe. Our UT of Z&K is not an exception. Here people are also suffering. Some people died because of novel COVID infection. All the educational institutions in UT of Z&K are shut, or many activities related to life are also shut. This disorder disturbance everywhere. It's better for you and us to remain in home confinement so that this deadly infection can't reach to us. In case when we move out in any sort of emergency, we need to wear masks and should also maintain physical distancing so that this deadly infection can't affect us. Life is a precious gift of God and it should be given first preference. Dear students, as the educational institutions are shut, you have to opt only offline and online mode of teaching so that your valuable time may not get wasted. Second important thing is their government is devising a policy to conduct exams of students online. So remaining inside your homes, you can prepare yourself well for the coming examinations and hard work and self-study having no substitute in the world. When you hard work inside your homes, when you will be engaged in self-studies and you will fetch nice fruits in the end when examinations would be there. It is class 12th, subject political science, 74th constitutional amendment. Dear students, this 74th constitutional amendment deals with the municipalities in India. The act was passed in 1992 and it came into force on 1st June 1993. The same act is also called Nagar Palika Act. It was also the dream of Gandhi ji. The decentralization of power should be there. The democracy should reach to the grassroots level so that the local people may get engaged in the this decision making policies, or we can say this municipalities. This is the local self government. What were its important features? In a class of 5 minutes or 6 minutes, I cannot discuss its full features. Inshallah, in next class, I will throw some more detail on the same concept so that the things will reach actual to you. The state government was given the powers to decide which municipality or which local self-government should be adopted in a particular area. There are three types of these municipalities. One is Nagar Panchayat, is a municipal community, and third is municipal corporations. The areas which are in transition from rural to urban areas, they should be given Nagar Panchayats, and smaller areas, they should be given the municipal councils, and the larger area cities, depending upon the size, they should be given municipal corporations. And what are its futures? If the elections must held if there is in case of suspension of local bodies or municipal members should be held in the specific time. Second, educate this representation should be given to the ST and women, and there should be a firm footing of relationship between state government and these municipal corporation or municipalities or nagar panchayatas about the functions and sharing of power, taxation, etc. So, dear students, I will repeat the things for you. 74th Constitutional Amendment was passed in 1992. It came into force in 1993. It's also called Nagar Palika Act. This act deals with the municipalities, and we have three types of municipalities. It is state government that has to decide which municipality is suitable for a particular area. For example, the areas which are in transition from rural to urban area, they should be given Nagar Panchayatas. In smaller towns, it should be their municipal councils, and in large cities, there should be a municipal corporations. And it is silent features where that local people should be involved, or local people should be involved in the self-government. They should be involved in decision making policies. They should be involved in the development process of the cities or these towns or some Nagar Panchayatas, so that they can themselves decide what is good for us and what is not good for us. And elections for these bodies should be held properly within specific time. If there is suspension, and adequate representation should be given to the women and ST community, and there should be a firm footing relationship between the state government and these local bodies in power sharing or taxation, etc. It's enough for today. Day after tomorrow, I shall be live again for next class. I will deliver something more on the same topic so that the actual things will reach to you. Dear students, be inside your home, be balanced, and take care.